Okay, let's talk about this real quick. This is our pellet catcher. This is injected structural foam, plastic, polystyrene pallets made to hold thousands of pounds all the way around on the surround. Here we go. So we come back, we can see if there was ever a pass-through on the hurricane or any spall deflection, because as well, just for Karen, we got the tin hat, baby. It's a hell of a Christmas tree, boy. Right in the middle of July. Crippled. Walking stick. Wheelchair. Fun loving. Always giving. Never taken. Air gun man. That's the whole setup there. I'm gonna get our shooting lamp. Down to the Jeep. It's 35 yards. We can push it back to the shed, but we got a lot of cats back there. Stuff we don't really want damaged. And, it's kind of in the way. It's like getting bigger.